When you land on the Instagram homepage, it will request a login or sign up to continue. That's because creating an Instagram profile is the only way to access all Instagram features. Without logging into an account, you can't browse content, view posts and stories, or interact with other Instagram users. Fortunately, there are some ways to skip the IG login screen. You can do it by going directly to profile pages or by using third-party apps. Instagram doesn't want anyone using their platform without registering for a profile, which is why they limit available features for guest browsing. You can access some Instagram posts without an account, but you won't be able to do much. Guests also won't be able to search, view private accounts, like and comment on posts, zoom in on photos, post content, or network with other Instagram users on the platform. When you do try to do any of the above, the screen will prompt you to log in or sign up for an Instagram account to gain full access. So if you don't have an Instagram account and you don't want one, and you still want to view profiles on Instagram, you can do that by using a username hack. Open your browser and type the Instagram website URL with the account's username. It'll look like this, instagram.com/username. This will open the account's feed to you. There are a few downsides to this method. First, you need to know the exact username of the account you're searching for. If you're lucky, you can find it using Google or some other social networks. Unfortunately, this method only works with public profiles, and you can't use them to view private Instagram accounts. Another method you can use is a third-party Instagram viewer. You can use these tools in your web browser to access various Instagram profiles anonymously without logging in. ImageIn is a free web tool that allows you to look into Instagram profiles without registering for an account. While you can't use it to access private profiles, you'll have no problem viewing public ones. Here's how it works. ImageIn allows you to view someone's posts, including the post caption, mentions, hashtags, and comments. Unfortunately, you can't see the number of likes or who those likes belong to, but with ImageIn you can download any photos, reels, and IGTV videos from a public Instagram account. ImageIn also allows you to see and download a user's tagged posts, current stories, and stories added to highlights. Just note that ImageIn doesn't show you the basic info about an Instagram user, such as their bio or the total number of followers and posts they have. If you're after more general info about the Instagram users themselves, you can try accessing their account using the Anon IG viewer. When opening the app's website, you must enter the username of the Instagram account you're looking for into the search bar. Anon IG viewer will only give you the correct result when you enter the exact username, so beware of typos. Following that, you can access their profile, bio, and other profile information, including the number of followers, posts, and active stories they have. Dumpor is another anonymous Instagram viewer that allows you to see and do the most with other people's Instagram profiles without having an Instagram account yourself. This web tool is easy to use and has a neat minimalistic interface for those interested in using it. Just remember that these tools should be used for good and never for evil. See you next time.